Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you one of our best-selling boots by Demonia, the DAMNED-318 in the black hologram vegan leather. All products that we are unboxing for you are available to buy online with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand at www.gothicfootwear.com.au. Let me get these out of the box now, and we are going to unwrap the first one. These boots are available in women's USA sizes 6 to 12. And they also come in another bunch of color and material variations. This black holographic material can also be referred to as black oil slick. So I'll just unwrap the other shoe now, we can look at them both. Let us know in the comments what you think of this style, or if there is another style you want to see unboxed next time. So you can see the main feature of this boot is these 8 buckle straps with the metal plates. And the straps are adjustable on both sides. And here are the metal plates. And there is a full length zipper on the back of each boot. I'll show you the inside of them now. The lining is like a soft spongy material. And there are no shoelaces for this style, only the buckles and the zip to do up. The Demonia logo on the inner sole. So ideally you would adjust these with the buckles to fit you and then just take them on and off with the zipper. And the bottom of the sole, we've got the flame design with the Demonia logo there in the middle. And these boots have a 3.5 inch platform height to them. They are a real statement boot. If you like these videos that we make, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel to help support us to make more of these unboxing videos, as they do take a little bit of time to put together. And we'd love to know if you enjoy watching these kinds of unboxing videos. And don't forget to check out our YouTube Shorts section to see some fast full-length unboxing clips also. So that's pretty much all we have time for. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favourite styles. Thanks for watching.